Hi guys, so it's just a quick vid showing you some things I bought from Amazon. So I was just having a browse and I could see that you could buy some kind of little firework things. So I thought, fuck it, why not? We'll see what they are. Cost me a tenner, I think, and I think they've come from Germany. Yeah, there they go. Or, yeah, I think they're German. Pretty sure they are. Yeah, anyway, they're just little like red strobe things. So yeah, they came in the post. Only took a couple of days to come. So got all of this stuff. Whatever this is. And here they are. So there's 10 in a pack. Cost me I think it was £9, free postage and packaging. It's just a red strobe. So yeah, quite excited to give these a try. Oh, so they're from Triplex, and no, there's 40 grams in the box, I think. The 30-second strobes. Yeah, quite a cool little item to be able to purchase from Amazon. So yeah, let me quickly open up this box for you. So there we go. That's what they look like. Ooh. So yeah, red strobe. Doesn't have the individual NEC. Oh no, it does, yeah. 4 grams each. So it's 10 4-gram red strobes. So yeah, if you want to check them out on Amazon, just type in. I think I just typed in fireworks, to be honest, and these came up eventually. So yeah, not bad price and not bad little item, especially purchase off Amazon. And I think you can get white strobes as well from the same company. I think you can get like a little mix and match of red ones and white ones. So yeah, anyway, cheers for watching guys, nice one.